Let's rock with Rick.
Okay, so we're gonna type this in like a computer. 189. So we'll go to pattern clear, and we'll clear the B section pattern. And then
All right, make sure our A section's still there. It should be.
Okay, so now we'll go back.
That's a good lesson. Turn to A and B before you clear on the original.
And we'll do our kick drum. Yeah, 1, 3. I don't know how to do it exactly on the OG 808, but you can.
Yeah.
You can do it easily on the TR-808.
It's not anything I've ever actually really played with at all, but what you do is you set the length of your first pattern. So like, let's say if you want to do like a 24-step pattern,
Yep.
You set your first pattern to 12, and then you go to the second part and set that to 12.
Yes, but you can also change it so you have it like at 16, so you got like a full pattern, and then change it to be a 4-step pattern so that it gets shorter and like.
Yeah.
So we'll go to pattern clear, and we'll do our kick drum. Yeah, 1, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 1 Scale. Oh, step number.
And then there's also the.
Oh, hold on. Let me try.
I did. Oh yeah, that's right. It had the. You know, I didn't, but it just went to the tempo that was already set.
So that's, yeah, so check it out. Like, you could have it set up so it's like. I always thought that was fun.
We can just keep this playing all day long, and it's kind of like, you know, it's like the background, you know, soundtrack to our lives.
So, like, let's find another one. You see that? Watch, it, like this weird thing. The pre-scale changed the tempo.
Oh.
Or the.
Oh, you know, because, yeah. Yeah. It's possible that what it's doing is it's like the track is like saving the pre-scale from like one of the other steps here, and then when you hit pre-scale, then goes to like the 3, which we have selected on the switch.
Well, no, I'm not changing the pre-scale. I'm changing the step number.
Okay.
By pressing that. And you can see that because, like, if I hold this,
Yeah.
and I go here, like, it'll go all the way out to here.
Yeah.
But if I go here,
Yeah, and that's how you set the.
your step number.
We should be able to set to like different patterns. Like if we were to like go 12 on here, and then go to like the second part. Although it's on the here, let's go to A. All right, so now we're on. The first part's 12 steps, then the second part's 12 steps.
Mm-hmm.
So then we could actually go to the 12 steps here like that and actually program in the next type thing. So all stuff to figure out and gotta go over.
So one question I have.
Okay.
How do you make the long bass drum?
Well, honestly, this is as long as like an actual traditional 808 kick is going to go. Let's go. Let's turn everything down for a second so we can. Well, we could have just easily made a new track and program just a. I mean, basically, on an original 808, all you have is the decay, shorter for like the short, tight ones, and longer. On the 880, you can go a little bit longer to where it basically never fully stops. Like it's always kind of ringing out in the background. So as far as like long ones like that, that's basically it. Although there is a little interaction with like the accent. Like the accent, I believe, will, in addition to making it louder, will also make it go just a little bit longer as well.
Dude, this thing's awesome.
It is.